Today we discuss the fuzzy set operations. First is included in. A bar is included in B bar. That is, A bar is contained in B bar. A bar is included in B bar if and only if A bar of x less than or equal to B bar of x for all x element in the set. What is A bar? For example, A bar is equal to ordered pair 2.5, 3, 1, 4.25 and B bar is equal to 2.7, 3, 1 and 4.5. For the value 2, the membership function of A bar is 0.5 and B bar is 0.7. That is 0.5 is less than or equal to 0.7. And in the value of 3, 1 is less than or equal to 1. And in the case of 4, membership function of 4 at the set A bar is 0.25 and in B it is 0.5. In the three cases, the membership function of A is less than or equal to membership function of B. So, the fuzzy set A bar is included in the fuzzy set B bar. Next we consider the equality of two fuzzy sets. A bar is equal to B bar if and only if A bar of x equal to B bar of x, that is A bar is equal to 2.5, 3, 1 and 4.25, then B bar is also 2.5, 3, 1 and 4.25, then A bar is equal to B bar, that is membership values are equal, then that fuzzy sets are equal. Next we consider the intersection of two fuzzy sets. Not similarly in the case of crisp set, we know that in the case of crisp set A intersection B means the elements common to both A and B. But in the fuzzy set, A bar intersection B bar is A bar join, A bar meet B bar, or the membership function of A bar intersection B bar of x equals minimum of membership function of A bar at x, comma membership function of B bar at x. That is, consider a fuzzy set A bar as A bar is equal to set ordered pair x 0.6, x1 0.6 and x2 0.7, x3 0.4. Okay, and B bar is equal to set ordered pair x1 0.3, x2 0.2 and x3 0.5. Then what is A bar intersection B bar? There is no change in the values x1, x2 and x3. Only change in the membership function. When we take the intersection, take the minimum of the membership value. So 0.6, 0.3. So minimum is 0.3. 0.7, 0.2. Minimum is 0.2. 0.4, 0.5. Minimum is 0.4. So, the fuzzy set A bar intersection B bar is set ordered pair x1 0.3, x2 0.2 and x3 0.4. Now we define the union of two fuzzy sets. A bar union B bar is equal to A bar join B bar. That is, we can find the membership function of A bar union B bar as maximum of membership function of x, membership function of A bar and the membership function of B bar. For this example, A bar union B bar equals, there is also no change in the values x1, x2, x3. Then the second coordinates can be found by the maximum of 0.6 and 0.3 is 0.6, 0.7 and 0.2 is 0.7 and 0.4 and 0.5 is 0.5. So we get the union of the two fuzzy sets. Okay, next we define the complement of fuzzy set. If A bar and B bar are complementary, that is, if A bar is the complement of B bar or B bar is the complement of A bar, then B bar of X is obtained by 1 minus A bar of X. That is, the membership function of B bar of X is 1 minus the membership function of A bar of X. So B bar complement is equal to A and A bar complement is equal to B. Now we define the complement of this set, A bar complement. That is, there are also no change in the values x1, x2, x3. Only change in the membership value, that is only change in the second coordinate. 0.6 is changed as 1 minus 0.6, so it is 0.4. 0.7 in A bar is 1 minus 0.7 in A bar complement, so it is 0.3. It is 0.4, here it is 0.6. So then we find B bar complement. Set ordered pair x1, here it is 0.3, so it is 0.7. x2 0.8 and x3 0.5. Okay, that is B bar complement. Then what is A bar difference B bar? A bar difference B bar. A bar difference B bar equals, we know that in the case of a crisp set, what is A difference B? That is A intersection B complement. Similarly here, A bar difference B bar equals A bar intersection B bar complement. Okay, that is minimum of A bar membership function of A bar and membership function of B bar complement. So A bar minus B bar equals set ordered pair x1, next is x2 and x3. Fill with the membership value as A bar minus B bar is A bar intersection B bar complement. So consider this A bar and B bar complement. Consider this A bar and B bar complement. The minimum of these two membership values, 0.6 and 0.7, minimum is 0.6. 0.7 and 0.8, minimum is 0.7. 0.4 and 0.5, minimum is 0.4. So A bar difference B bar is x1 0.6, x2 0.7 and x3 0.4. Fuzzy complements do not always have all the characteristics of crisp complements. Okay. In usual set theory, the complement, we know that A union A complement equal to sample space and A intersection A complement is equal to null set. But in fuzzy set, A complement, A bar intersection A bar union A complement not equal to the sample space. Also A bar intersection A complement A bar complement not equal to null set. So in many of the cases, fuzzy complements do not always have all the characteristics of crisp complements. Some properties of complements of fuzzy set. One is A bar complement whole complement, that is A. So here it is same as the crisp set. Also De Morgan's law holds for the fuzzy set. A bar union B bar whole complement equals A bar complement intersection B bar complement. Also A complement intersection A bar intersection B bar complement equals A bar complement union B bar complement. Okay. In crisp set, we discussed that in crisp set A union A complement is equal to total sample space and A intersection A complement is equal to null set. But in fuzzy set, A bar union A bar complement not equal to sample space and A bar intersection A bar complement not equal to null set. We can illustrate this result by using an example. Consider a finite set S is equal to set x1, x2, x3, x4 and a fuzzy set A bar is equal to set ordered pair x11, x2.3, x3 0 and x5, x4 0. Consider the example. S is equal to set x1, x2, x3, x4 and fuzzy set A bar is equal to set ordered pair x1, x11, x2.3, x3 0 and x4 0.5. Then what is A bar complement? A bar complement is set ordered pair x1 0, x2 0.3 here, so 0.7, x3 1 and x4 0.5. That is A bar complement. Then what is A bar union A bar complement? That is set ordered pair x1, x2, x3, x4 and take the maximum of 1 and 0, 1, 0.3 and 0.7 it is 0.7, 0 and 1 is 1, 0.5 and 0.5 is 0.1. This is not equal to set of all ordered pair x1 1, x2 1, x3 1, x4 1 because all these values in the sample space x1, x2, x3, x4 are in the sample space, therefore its membership function is also equal to 1. Here A bar union A bar complement not equal to the sample space. Similarly, what is A bar intersection A bar complement? Here set ordered pair x1, x2, x3, x4, then take the minimum of A bar and the A bar complement. What is the minimum of 1 and 0? 0. 0.3 and 0.7 is 0.3. 0 and 1 is 0. And 0.5 and 0.5 is 0.5. This is also not equal to set ordered pair x1 0, x2 0, x3 0, x4 0 because if a null set is not containing these elements, therefore these elements have membership value 0 when it is in a null set. So A bar intersection A bar complement not equal to null set, also A bar union A bar complement not equal to the sample space. Therefore, a fuzzy complement do not always have all the characteristics of the crisp complements.